Hello everyone, let's see how to make other automatic bells like school bells or other automatic bells or driving bells in the yard. Watch the video till the end and you will understand it is very simple and pause the video. First, take the other glass and attach it with a hot glue gun. Take another small DC motor and attach it as shown in the video. Attach other part with a hot glue gun like I show in the video. Connect the negative and positive wire. It is very simple. Look, the bell is ready. How did you like this video? Comment and let me know. If you like the video, like it. If you don't, dislike it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video. Until the subscribe.